Hello, science students. So for this video, I'm going to talk about Journal 7B and give you a few hints on how to answer the questions for that assignment in your science notebook. So first, just to find it, you'll start on the home page, you'll click on current module, and that should take you to the module for this week. But this one is in module number 7. So if you're accessing this in a later week, you'll have to scroll up to find it. To access it, hopefully you've already added to the discovery activity about falling objects, and that you've marked 7A as done. If you've done that, you'll be able to access Journal 7B. And in Journal 7B, you're going to do this in your notebook, like I said. So this is a document, but you don't add to it. It just has the questions for you. So the yellow boxes, you're going to complete one of the questions, not all of them. In the green, you're going to do the whole thing. In the purple, you're going to do a short paragraph or a few sentences. And the red box is kind of a bonus challenge question if you'd like to try it. So just to give you an overview of this, in your notebook, you'll draw the little set of squares. So I just make the little giant plus sign. And then you can answer one of these two questions. So either about the units of acceleration, you can check your notes of the slides, keeping in mind that meters per second has a particular meaning. And then a vector or scalar. So is acceleration just a number or a scalar? So just a number, or does it have a direction? That would make it a vector, and kind of explain why you think so. The second one, we're going to ask if you're riding in a car, riding on a bicycle, and you accelerate all the time, how can you, what do you feel when you accelerate? So I would describe what you feel when you speed up, slow down, and when you turn. How does that feel different, or how do you feel that acceleration? In the green box, you're going to sort them into either acceleration or not, keeping in mind that acceleration is any change in velocity. So that's speeding up, slowing down, or turning. If you're moving at a constant speed and you're not turning, your velocity would be constant and you would not be accelerating. So that would be the non-acceleration example. So you'll categorize those. And then there's a couple calculations. So keep in mind that acceleration times time is equal to the change in velocity. So that may be useful for this problem. And if you want to try the second problem, you'll do acceleration is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time. So VF minus VI over T. And you'll just do one of those calculations for practice. And then you'll use something similar down here for the extra one. But since this is a bonus one and I want you to kind of try it as best you can, please go ahead and just do your best to use the acceleration equation and see if you can solve the one in the red box. And we'll talk about it when you guys are here, when you guys return after your couple of days to try this. Okay, so if you have any more questions about this particular journal, make sure that you ask through Canvas you can ask through Canvas, or you can send me an email and we'll try to help you as best we can. Okay, thank you all for watching.